Hey, welcome back to our glossary series on clinical research terms. Today we are diving into the C's, terms you'll hear often if you are in the clinical research field or planning to be. We have already cracked the A's and B's, so if you missed those, make sure to check them out too. Now, let's get started with the C's. Case report form, clinical endpoint, clinical trial, cohort. First up is the case report form or CRF, a document designed to collect every bit of data about a participant during a clinical trial, whether it's their health status, test results, or any side effects they might experience. It all goes into the CRF or case report form. It's like a detailed diary of each participant's journey through the trial, helping researchers track the progress and outcome. This form is important for maintaining the integrity of data collected during the study. So, in simple terms, a CRF is where all the important participant data lives during a clinical trial. Next, let's talk about clinical endpoint. This might sound a little bit technical, but it's actually the main result that researchers are looking for in a clinical trial. Think of it as the finish line that tells them if the treatment is working or not. For example, if a trial is testing a new drug for heart disease, the clinical endpoint might be a reduction in heart attacks among participants. It's the primary outcome that shows whether the treatment is effective. In short, the clinical endpoint is what helps researchers judge the success of a treatment. Moving on to a term you have probably heard before, clinical trial. This is the backbone of clinical research. A clinical trial is a research study that involves human volunteers. And the goal? To evaluate the safety and effectiveness of a medical treatment or intervention. These trials are what brings new drugs, vaccines, and treatments to the market after constant and continuous testing to ensure they are safe and effective for the public. So, whether you are a participant or a researcher, clinical trials play an important role in improving the world of medical sciences. Lastly, let's discuss cohort. A cohort is simply a group of people who share something in common, like age, health condition, or treatment received. Researchers follow this group over time to study how they respond to the treatment or how certain factors affect their health. It's like tracking a group of friends who have something in common to see how they change over time. And that's it for the C's. I hope these terms are a bit clearer now. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Speaking of which, our next one will be all about the D's. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more information about clinical research. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Thank you.